You know when you're having one of those days where everything is just not going right. Yeah, today's one of those days. Okay, so I've got an entire folder of apps that I have downloaded and just simply never used. So what I'm going to do is just run through a couple of them and let you know which ones I would recommend you to download and which ones are just god awful, because I'm sure there's going to be plenty there. As for this, don't even ask. I'm not even going to get into it. Right, so we're going to jump in and I'm going to pick one at random. Let's choose. I'm his son to you too. Now, I think I've already set up a profile on this, and I'm not sure how I feel about it. Like, it seems like one of those games that you have to pay to unlock different features, different outfits, and stuff like that, and I don't know if I can really get down with that. We get a gacha coupon get. You sure? Okay. Oh, hello. How you doing, girl? Right, okay, how do I find my girlfriend? A new scenario has been unlocked. Please check. Oh, she's sleeping. Can I slap my dick in her face? I thought your boobies while you were asleep. Oh, she laughed a bit. She thinks I'm funny. Alright, girlfriend. Change girlfriend's status. List of possible changes. Names, height, personality, girlfriend's nickname for you, voice. Help her recommend it. Yeah. Ooh, okay. If my actual girlfriend sees me playing this, I'm sorry. It's not what it looks like. Personality standard. Yep, boring as fuck. Just the way I love my women. My nickname is... Yeah, okay, so this is all just boring. How do I... There's no actual game here. There's nothing here at all. Okay, so overall review of Dream Girlfriend. Not what I was expecting, to be honest. Fuck's sake. Okay, slice of bread. This game seems pretty self-explanatory. You are bread, I assume, and I think you have to go on some kind of adventure or self-discovery, something like that. Okay.
It turns out that apparently someone did just stab you with a knife.
Oh my god.
It seems that you're a piece of bread. You're completely fine with it. But just then, the thought hit you. Bread is not supposed to be aware that it's bread. Because it's bread.
What am I doing with my life? Okay, so let's think about this for a second, okay? You are bread. What do you do if you realize you are bread? What I would do, I think... I realized that I was taken away from my family. My loaf.
You just can't bear it.
I can't.
If you actually had a face, you'd be sadly whispering to your loaf and crying yourself a river.
I would be crying myself alive. I can grow a face! Oh my god!
Actually did it.
I know, I did something with my life. You know what? Yeah, I'm just gonna eat myself out of existence.
You consume your entire body, a newly acquired face, all in one big chop. Unfortunately, this entire break in physics somehow is able to create a black hole, eventually sucking up all of the universe.
Alright, I don't think I'll ever play that again. That's a special kind of stupid. Okay, so this next app is called Journey Alone. For those of you who don't know, there was a video game that came out on PlayStation, and I'm not sure if it came out on PC or anything afterwards. I don't think it did. But the game is called Journey, and it was one of the most amazing and beautifully crafted games I have ever had the privilege of playing. We're going to jump in. I've got pretty high hopes for this. There's a 30-second advertisement before you can get in the game. Okay, so this is looking very reminiscent of Journey from the PlayStation game. The controls, pretty similar. What does that button do? What the fuck? Ooh, this is beautiful. Okay, what is this? Okay, can we actually play the fucking game now? Okay, so I'm guessing what are these, like, different levels?
Incoming. Enemies are on the way. In 8 seconds, you'll be attacked.
You wanna
Here's
begin
what
then?
to do. Buy towers to defend your citadel by dragging the tower icon to empty squares on the map. Towers are not free. You'll need to build farms to earn money. Build farms by dragging the farm icon to Final Fantasy 15. Download and play now. Free from the App Store.
That was worth it. Looks like some kind of graveyard, kind of creepy looking vibes. It doesn't look anywhere near as beautiful as it did on console, but I am playing this on a mobile phone, so that kind of explains a lot. Can you jump? Oh, okay, yep, okay. That little rectangle right there. Okay, I feel that. Whoa, where are you going, boy? I will get up these stairs. Just give me a second. I'm white. Nice, a little bit of racism in there. Sounds good. Okay, you know what this reminds me of? RuneScape. Did I miss something? Like, I get it, you have to try and climb up this fucking building, but... this looks really horribly built. I mean, the music is beautiful. The gameplay is pretty good. The controls are really dodgy, especially the jumping one. I wanna like it. I do, I really... See, now the movement controls just stopped working on me. I don't know if I can keep playing this. See, the movement controls just stopped working again. Trying to climb up the fucking building. Like, I love the premise of this game. And I love what they try to do with it, but... Come on, can I make this jump? Hey! Hey! Doo-doo. So you gotta activate all these little shrine thingies? Okay. Yeah, I'm finding every time I tap on the actual little joystick kind of thing, it just randomly stops working. And that's really frustrating. All the advertisements, the dodgy controls, like maybe if you attached a controller to it, it'll give you a better experience, but I just can't. I can't. I'm sorry. I tried. I really did want to like it. Excuse me. So the next game I want to play is a game my girlfriend words. It's the penultimate app. We're only doing 5 in the series. It says in the title. So here we go. Is it going to be good? Okay, it's a temple run kind of game. Ooh, nice twist. Okay. Ooh, I'm feeling this. I'm sorry if the audio is a little bit weird. Next time I wear headphones, I didn't really think about that. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, I like this. The ads aren't that invasive either. Nice. The music's kind of jammy. Really nice response with the way your finger moves. Like, there's no stuttering. There's no like delay between where your finger goes. This is good. I like this. Ooh. This could be the new Flappy Bird, but not quite as annoying. I hit that. Okay, so you can watch ads. Nice. To be able to carry on. Nice. I like that. It's not forced upon you. Sweet. Okay, a forced advertisement, but you can just close straight out of it. It's not like a 30-second video that you have to watch. Journey. It really gets your heart pumping. It does. And the response is just, it really pushes that anxiety. Wicked game, would download it. I'll leave links to all of these in the description so you guys can check them out. If there's iOS links as well, I'll leave them there. Obviously, I'm using Android. Overall, pretty good, man. Pretty good. I like it, man. I like it, man. It's good. It's real good, man. Right, so for the final app that I want to use, I want to jump straight into... Okay, so the final app that I want to play is another one recommended to me by my partner. It is called Golf Clash. Wonder what it's about. Okay, let's practice it. Go on, get the ball into the hole. That's what she said. Get the ball into the hole. The fewer shots, the better. Okay. Slowly drag the ball back and hold to apply power. Simple enough. Oh, do you have to get it in the... Okay. What, you have to release... What? Okay, okay. So you just hold that, wait for the little arrow to land on the green thing. There we go. Perfect. Thank you very much. Oh, that was decent. Okay. I've only played golf a couple of times in my life. See? I'm a natural. It's natural talent, beginner's luck, whatever you want to call it. I'm amazing. Guest 5. Oh, okay. Chip in to win. Gotcha. I can do this. Babe, it was the last game of the episode. You couldn't just pick. You had one job. Just get a good couple of games for me to play. The last one, that was good. That was alright. I liked that one. This... Why'd you make me play it? Why Jamaican me? Alright, that'll be it for this episode. I've got like 40 minutes of footage to edit. I've never made a video like this before, so it's going to be a fun experience. That was not fun. Quick note. Oh, man. Okay, right. So I recorded the video, this, in 1 frame rate. I then recorded the gameplay in another frame rate. The audio was out of sync because I recorded that. It was a nightmare to edit. I apologize that this video has been absolutely terrible. I'm now over my flu. I'm going to try and make another one of these at some point soon. But I'm nearly done editing and it's taken me so much longer than it needed to. Let's get this over with. Right, thank you so much for watching today's video. Like, bell, whatever the YouTubers are saying these days. Next week's episodes are going to be funny as hell. Love you. Every gaming YouTuber has an outro card, don't they? Should I make one? Alright. Let me just... Okay, we are in the first level. That took 2.5 minutes.